to create an application in Angular 2. So basically I am using Angular 7. So let's start with that. So npm install -g angular CLI जो है install the angular CLI. Angular CLI is a tool usually used to build and run the Angular application in development mode. So now create a project like cd. I'm creating a directory cd my app. My app. So I'm going to follow the instruction of AngularJS. In AngularJS.io, AngularIO.io website, like ng new my app, ng new my app. So it will create a new Angular application, and it is asking for the would you like to add Angular routing. I'm going to use Angular routing, yes. Which style sheet format you would like to use in the whole application? Which style sheet format I am going to use, it is asking for that. So I am going to use CSS. This is how it's creating the application. So now wait for it. So it will depend also on internet speed. If internet speed is fast, then it will be downloaded very fast. While it is installing, I am going to show you what was the previous tutorial overview. Like let's come to here. The ID which I am using is Visual Studio Code, and node version is greater than 6.x. Install Node.js from this official website node.js.org. From download page, install Visual Studio Code from this link. After installing Node.js, check the version of Node.js and whether it is properly installed or not by typing the command node ---- version in command prompt, and check the npm version. Npm is a node package manager, and check it by an npm ---- version. Now after installing Visual Studio Code, open that, then create a folder or directory on your drive and run the command on Visual Studio Code terminal to install the Angular CLI, which I have explained in previous tutorial. Now let's see what is happening. It's still downloading. You can see here, while downloading, in my app folder there is another my app folder which I have created using the command previously which I have used. Now there is a node module folder which is being generated, and src folder and e2e. So let's come to an overview of e2e. What is e2e? E2e is basically used for the testing purpose, unit testing purpose. Angular create this directory, and node module consists all the packages which will be required in to the development of the Angular application. src folder, src directory is basically used to put all your code here, and there are multiple another directory available in this src directory. I will come to this into detail later. And there is a angular.json package -log.json, package log readme md, tsconfig.json, and tslint.json. We will see it later in this tutorial. So the file the command which I have previously used, ng new myapp. So it creates a new Angular application. Name is myapp. So now, according to Angular official website, after it you can serve the application. Go into this application folder and type the command ng serve --open. So I will go in cd my app and write the command ng serve open. So it will run the Angular application and it will open the browser, and the basic application which has been created by Angular CLI itself will be opened into the browser like this. So welcome to my app. Here are some links to help you start, like tour of hero, CLI documentation, Angular blog. This is the default application which Angular creates by itself. So this is how we create a new application using Angular CLI. In next tutorial we will see each files and directory which has been created in detailed level. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.